Quick reading for February the 15th to February the 16th. Scorpio, we have the Page of Cups, the World card, the King of Swords. Meron dito mga realization na dapat pala natatapos din itong sigalot. Dapat pala natatapos din itong away, misunderstanding. It felt like yung mga nangyari nitong mga nakaraang araw, linggo, or buwan, or probably the last year, it changed the perspective, no, nitong iyong person, or probably ikaw din, no, how to handle the relationship. And what we're seeing in here is more of kaayusan, more of union, more of harmony, dahil meron dito magli-lead, and it felt like this is you. Dito nyo malalaman na parang, ay, meron din palang somewhat, no, makakahinga-hinga na rin ako, makakapag-relax na rin ako dito sa relationship na ito dahil meron na itong pupuntahan. Meron din dito ako nakikita for those who are singles na parang sasabihin natin dito na, napapansin ko na papunta na kami sa pagkakaroon ng committed relationship or magkakaroon na kami ng label, no? This is your quick reading, Scorpio, for February the 15th to February the 16th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.